Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. I got my Glossybox today. I'm going to have this put up tomorrow because I thought that this wasn't going to come until August. So I was very excited that it finally got here because they were really delayed in shipping this month and it's a little crazy. So we're going to rip it open. Just got it from the mailbox. This is like the lightest feeling box I have ever gotten from them, and this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. It looks like a treasure box. So there's seashells on the side. They're like incandescent a little bit. Little lockbox. The top and then the back also has all of that. And then we open it. Oh, and it's really pretty inside too. Really like that. How are you all doing with the heat? I am so thirsty all the time. I feel like I got this stuff. Has anybody tried this? This is Hint. I picked it up at Costco because it was on sale. I thought it was sparkling water. Very disappointed that it's not. It was on sale. That's why I got it though. So there's like watermelon and pineapple and blackberry. It's kind of interesting. It's basically like the essence of a fruit that's in there. It's not the best, but it's kind of okay too. All right, so look it. They want people to refer a friend. Too bad I've already canceled Glossybox. I don't feel like it's worth it. I did get these for like $15 a month, but even at $15 a month, I think it's a little bit much. So this was the last in my 6-month subscription. This is what it looks like inside, and yep, it's all out now. So the first thing I see in here are a couple of brushes. It's like a fluffy brush and a angled brush. They're very pretty. Like they're kind of an eggshell type material on them. And one's, yeah, I don't know if I will use these. I'll use this one for sure. I don't really use angled brushes. This one's really strong. So I think I'm actually going to give these to a friend, maybe. I'm not really sure yet, but I have so many brushes and I never use these type of brushes. They're not the type that I reach for. I probably should, and I should probably work on upping my makeup game. But I have so many, and if you've been watching my Instagram, you know that I have been really struggling, not struggling, but I've been really working on going through my brushes and decluttering. So let's not add any more clutter. Those retail for $34 for the set. That's really crazy. They look like a more true blue in the picture, which is interesting. They don't look that like turquoisey color that they are here. And I did get an email. That's funny. Nothing in it. I did get an email that one of the items in here, which was replaced. So I was supposed to get the Cleo Noir eyeshadow duet, and it was retailing for $16, but instead I'm getting the Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush, and it's in the shade Matchmaker. This is probably what that little piece of bubble wrap was supposed to be around. And it's very similar to the highlighters that I have from Ciate. I might have this. I will go check and insert if I actually have this, because I don't want to go look through my blushes right at the moment. Okay, so the shade that I had was Pinch Me. It's a lighter version of this. So we will swatch it, see what it looks like. I think that's going to be really pretty. I like the other one that I have. I don't need two of any blush at this point because I have just so many blushes. It's really pretty. Can you even see it? It's very light on my skin. Let's go in, double swatch it, build it up a little bit. So it is very light, pretty sheer, very glowy. As you can see, it reflects a lot when it's straight on with the camera, but if you turn it to the side a little bit, it's a little bit better. So yeah, I think it's pretty. I don't know if it's good for a lot of different skin tones, but it is definitely a blush that I will wear. Finished filming this. The next thing in here, and I don't know how much that retails for, it's a sample size though. Next thing is from Verso. This is a eye cream That's all it says is an eye cream. It retails for $21 this size. This is a deluxe size, and it retails for $60 for a full size. This is 7 milliliters, so pretty good size for eye cream. The eyeshadow was supposed to be full size, and of course the brushes are full size. This is also counted as a full size. This is the Purlisse Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. It retails for $6. In the promo photos, they showed like 3 masks, so it's kind of a bummer that we only got 1. I was expecting like 3, because even with Ipsy, if they send you sheet mask, you get 2 sheet masks in your $12 subscription, and this is normally $21 a month. No. So far, the only full-size thing we got was the brushes. The last thing in here is the Volumizing Dry Shampoo from Batiste, and I don't use dry shampoo. This retails for $3.99. It's a deluxe size, or a travel size. I don't use dry shampoo. So, what is my favorite thing in the box? My favorite thing is actually the box. Yeah, that says a lot. And it's kind of, my box is even like, it's ripping. I don't know if you can even see that, but it's starting to tear there, which is kind of a bummer because this is definitely, I always keep the boxes, and that was part of the reason why I subscribed in the first place. So yeah, I'm going to check if I have that blush, and if not, I'll come back and I will insert a swatch of it. Let me know if you've gotten Glossybox, what your thoughts are on it. Do you think this box is worth $21? Do you think it's worth $15 or $16? Let me know down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.